Drift roses are low maintenance. Do they require pruning? They do if you want the best blooms. I'll show you how we do ours. For best performance, cut back every year. I start my pruning typically in the middle of February. I remove anything dead, dying, disease, or damaged, branches that are crossing, and I also remove stray branches that are outside of the shape or bound that I want. Always start off with a clean, sharp pruners, and I have cleaned them with rubbing alcohol. So here we have an example of something that is dead. So I'm going to place my pruners here and clip it off. I noticed that this particular branch where I cut off, it's hollowed. So I cut it all the way back to the main branch.